In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enter subscripts and superscripts in Google Forms. When you are building a quiz or a survey in Google Forms, you may want to write things like exponents in math or chemical formulas in science. The important thing to know is that Google Forms does not include built-in buttons for superscript or subscript formatting. So instead of formatting text the usual way, you will use special characters that already exist in Unicode, which you can copy and paste into your form. To begin, open Google Forms and create a new form using the blank quiz option. Once you are on the editing screen, click into the text area where you want the formatted text to appear. This could be a question title, a description, or an answer choice. Then highlight the part of the text that you plan to replace with superscript or subscript characters. Highlighting first helps you avoid mistakes because you will be pasting over the exact characters you want to change. Next, open a new browser tab and search for a superscript translator. Look for a result that clearly states it generates superscript text that you can copy and paste and mentions that it converts your text into a Unicode subset. Open that tool. In the translator, type the characters you want to turn into superscript, such as a number for an exponent. The tool will output a converted version using superscript-style Unicode characters. Copy the converted result exactly as shown. Keep in mind that not every letter or symbol has a perfect superscript or subscript equivalent in Unicode, so if something does not convert, you may need to simplify what you enter or try a different generator. Now return to your Google form. Click back into the same text field and highlight the original characters again so you are replacing them cleanly. Then paste the superscript text you copied from the translator. After you paste, click once more and highlight the new text briefly to confirm it is in the right place and looks correct. If you need subscripts instead, you will follow the same process, but use a subscript generator or a character map source that provides subscript characters. Finally, preview your form to make sure the characters display properly for respondents. And that is all there is to it.